that to the farmers are agitating in Delhi, the health minister himself, we had 9 rounds of talks with the farmers and more than 100 hours of talk. The agriculture minister is every day ready to talk to them. एंड तो रिजल्ट तो इसीलिए जब देश के अलग अलग क्षेत्र के किसान हैं अदर देन पंजाब एंड हरियाणा दे आर सपोर्टिव ऑफ दीज रिफॉर्म्स एंड देयरफॉर दे वांट वी हैव टॉक्ड विद मिस्टर चेंगल रेड्डी. Yes, and we have talked to Mr. Chengal Reddy. We have talked to
Mr. Agarwal, in that case, why don't you launch the same farmers' schemes which Nadda is promising in West Bengal across the country? Why especially only for farmers in West Bengal? Riju, please allow Mr. Agarwal to speak and complete a statement. You've had your voice.
Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi is being given to everybody except West Bengal people, where the state government is not cooperating and giving data, certified data. The thing is that whether it is in Uttar Pradesh, whether it is Rajasthan, whether it is other places, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, everywhere, state governments have given, even opposition governments have given the list.
You just
and
mentioned state governments have given. That's exactly what the TMC's grouse is here, that why should it not go through the state government? Why should it go directly? Why kill the federal structure? So why not reach out to the state government and via the state government with comprehensive data and all the verified data that comes in, then send it out to the farmers? Allow Mr. Gopal to speak. Riju, please.
Yeah.
That's the question to you. Why not go through the state government like it happens in every other BJP ruled state?
No, it is not. Nowhere it is going through the state. Only the state government has the responsibility of verifying the data. Why the Mamata Banerjee is not giving the data, certified data?
Riju, why is the TMC not giving verified data? And this is deliberate delay.
Because she doesn't want to implement. Now only
that's what it looks like.
Nabila, one thing.
Nabila, she is not ready to implement center scheme. If you look into COVID, so the same
I just barely have a minute left. Riju, please answer that. What is the harm if farmers get an additional 6,000?
We have got all the data ready. That is why we have implemented the Krishak Bandhu Yojana, where all the farmers have got that deserving dues.
You're not answering the actual question asked here. Why is the PM Kisan Yojana money not coming in?
Now, Nabila, we have sent 3 letters
to the
agricultural minister. They have not
Nidhi is not going to people in Punjab. Ayushman Bharat benefit is not going to people in Punjab.
Punjabi Kisans look as Khalistanis and anti-nationals.
And now we are talking of West Bengal and he is talking about others.
You've still not explained as to what took Mamata Banerjee so long for her to grant the PM Kisan Yojana to the farmers.
3 times Mamata Banerjee wrote to the central agricultural minister to release the funds. The funds were not released. Ask Gopal Krishnan.
No, now only she has written the letter. Now only she has accepted that I will go by the scheme.
3 times before Gopalji. Do you not know? Are you not?
She is not giving the data, verified data.
You are not giving the funds.
Bank accounts will be transferred. She is not ready to implement Ayushman Bharat.
पैसा तो भेजिए. बिना पैसे के कैसे देंगे?
कि 40%, 60% only of the premium.
अरे वो तो आयुष्मान भारत का क्यों मिक्स कर रहे हैं सर?
All right. We heard Derek O'Brien come out with a statement saying that farmers in West Bengal earn 3 times more. Their profits are 3 times more in compared to farmers across India. But nonetheless, what Mamata Banerjee has done, if it is true that she's resisted granting those funds of PM Kisan Yojana to the farmers, then that's unfortunate, because this is the time farmers, our annadatas, need to be catered to, and same goes to the BJP as well. It's about time that the